Cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.
Oh, didn't see you there. Hey, it's your girl Aries. Hey y'all, it's your girl Aries, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a protein mask to keep your hair moisturized in the wintertime, because we don't need our hair looking dry, cracked, brittle, or rough. By the way, excuse my roughness because you know your girl just woke up, but let's get into it.
Need a bowl, a spoon, 2 eggs, some honey, olive oil, and mayonnaise. Now that you got all your ingredients all on deck, you should take about 2 spoonfuls of mayonnaise. Crack open both your eggs. About a spoonful of honey. Then lastly, a spoonful of olive oil. Then you want to try and beat it until it's like a nice consistency. And this part is optional, but you can get a blender and just blend the stuff out instead of beating it if that takes too long for you. And your finished product should look something like this. So with this mask, I would like to start on dirty hair because it prepares you to get in the shower anyways when you wash it out. And yeah, before I start any styling, I use water and olive oil as my base so I can get ready to detangle my hair. After my hair gets nice and detangled, I just take my mask and I massage it into my hair. Not my scalp, but my hair. And I just do it to my liking. And then I just braid or twist that section down. Then you want to secure your ends with like a hair tie or something so it doesn't unravel. And you just repeat those steps to the rest of the sections that are within your head.
So after you get done with your sections, you just like grab like a little bag and you just wrap it over your head. But this part is optional. I like to take like a blow dryer in my heating bag. And then, of course, because you don't want heat damage, you put it on low. Hey y'all, so I'm back out of the shower. Yeah, I just rinse the stuff out and then just style it as you want to. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.